Hello students, this is Miss Pooja Arun Mhatre, lecturer in Electronics and Telecommunication Department in Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology, Bhayandar East. Topic is practical number 14 and the subject name is Computer Networking and Data Communication, subject code 222 Class is EJ 6I. Practical number 14. Use FTP protocol to transfer the file from one system to the another system. So the practical significance are: it is required in any organization to share the files and resources as it is simplifies the access to these resources from the anywhere. It also reduces the cost of the equipment as they shared among the multiple users by sharing the files. It reduces the storage cost also. The student will able to share the files using the file transfer protocol when they are seeing this practical. The relevant program outcomes are discipline knowledge, experiments and practice, individual teamwork. The competency practical skill will be developed in students is they will use the FTP protocol to transfer the file from the one system to the another system. So the relevant course outcome is they use a relevant network model for the specified data communication system and configure the network components and assign the IP address. So the file transfer protocol, that is FTP, is standard network protocol used to transfer the computer files between a client and server on a computer network. So FTP is built on a client server architecture and uses a separate control and data connection between the client and the server. So FTP users may authenticate themselves with a clear text sign in a protocol and normally in the form of username and password, but can connect anonymously if server is configured to allow it. So for the secure transmission, it protects the username and password and encrypts the contents. So FTP is often secured with the SSL or TLS, that is protocols files, and SSH file transfer is also used sometimes, and they are technologically different. So here is the block diagram of the FileZilla. FileZilla is a powerful tool and the free software for transferring the files over the internet. The resource required are personal computer with standard specification and internet connectivity, and we want FileZilla software. The precaution to be followed, that is ensure the compatibility and install the software. The procedure is the FileZilla client is downloaded and activated on your computer. Enter the domain name in a host field and use the account IP address. The username and the password has to be entered the same that which you used to log in. The FTP port is 21, and then to connect press the quick connect button. After clicking on the button, the user will get connected to hosting account, and the right side of the FTP client window a list of all the files and the folders on your account will be displayed. So from the right panel of the FTP client, navigate to the folder on the account in which the new files are to be uploaded, for example public_html. Then the prompt box will be open. Then select one or more file from the left side panel to be uploaded and right click on them from the menu that show up and click the upload button. The transfer file will be automatically initiated, which will be indicated the bottom panel of the application. So wait for it and log in the successful transfer tab for the button panel. So access a public FTP site. So these are the steps to access the file transfer site, that is ftp://ftp.cs.brown.edu. Thank you. Here we completed the practical number 14.